Hello, ladies and gentlemen. This is approximation and estimation part 3. Okay, so we're still on the fraction. Okay, example solution, think solution 2 or solution 3, if I'm not mistaken. So we want to simplify 4 whole number 2 over 9 minus 1 whole number 13 over 15 all over 2 whole number 1 over 5 plus 4 over 7 times 2 whole number 1 over 3. This is simple, very simple. I've told you what we need to do. What we need to do is just to apply our board mass. Okay, it's just for us to apply our board mass. It's as simple as that. So let's just go straight to the solution here. We have a solution. Okay, so from here, let me just write the question: 2 or number 2 over 9 minus 1 or number 13 over 15. Okay, 2 or number 1 over 5 plus 4 over 7 times 2 or number 1 over 3. Okay, times 2 or number 1 over 3. So what we need to do here, this is a very standard theory question. Okay, so and then we should not forget our board mass. Okay, board mass, board mass. So brackets of division, multiplication, addition, and what? And subtraction. Okay, so here we can just say, okay, for this numerator, what we need to do here is that we just need to take care of the numerator first, then take care of the denominator second, applying board mass. Okay, then we can now use our long division method. It's as simple as that, straightforward. You don't need to waste much time. We don't need to waste much time here. So here we can now say, let's say for numerator, okay, and we all know that this is numerator as said, and this one is what? Denominator. So this is numerator as mentioned when I was introducing fraction, and this is what? Denominator. So for numerator, you can have, that's 4 number 2 over 9 minus 1 number 13 over what? Over 15. Okay, so this is the same thing as I've told you. If you want, this is improper fraction, convert it to proper fraction. 9 times 4. Okay, 9 times 3 is 27. When you add another 9 to 27, you get 36. So 9 times 4 is what? 36. 36 plus 2 is what? 38 over 9. So this one is what? 38 over 9 minus 38 over 9 minus, that's 15 times 1. 15 times 1 is 15 plus 13. Okay, 15 times 1 is 15 plus 13. So 15 plus 15 is 30. If you remove 2, so that's 28. So this one is what? 28 over what? 15. It's as simple as that. You can see that it's not hard at all. 9 times 4, board mass is simple. So all these questions that you see here, all the one I've been sharing, they are just film trick. All you just need to do, apply the laws as expected. The one for sod, apply the one for sod. The one for log, apply the law for log. The one for apply those laws. When you apply them, you see your question, you see your answer smiling at you in a short while. So 9 times 4, 38. 9 times 4, 36. 36 plus 2, 38 over 9. Then minus, then 15 times 1, 15 plus 13, that's 28 over 15. That is for numerator. Then let's do the one for denominator. For denominator, okay, what do we have for denominator? We have, look at it very well, board mass, brackets of, is there bracket here? No brackets. Is there off here? No off. Is there division here at the denominator? No division. Is there multiplication? There's multiplication. So it means you take care of the multiplication first before you move towards addition. So this means that we'll now do 2 whole number 1 over 5, okay, plus take care of the multiplication first. That's 4 over 7 times, this is improper fraction, okay? This is improper fraction. Change it to what? Proper fraction. Or this is improper fraction or mixed fraction. Then you change it to proper fraction. 3 times 2, 6. 6 plus 1, that is what? 7 over what? 3. Okay? So don't forget, 3 times 2, 6. 6 plus 1, that's 7 over 3. Okay, so we are not rushing. We are taking our time to explain these things, because these are the things that you seems that is difficult, but they are not difficult if you apply what you're supposed to apply. Okay, so now don't forget, you are supposed to take care of multiplication first. So you need to times this. Okay, so this means that this is what? Change this to proper fraction. Okay, 5 times 2, 10 plus 1, 11 over what? 5 plus. So don't forget, 7 can go here, 7 can go. Okay, so that will be 4 over what? Over 3. Okay, that will be 4 over 3. It's as simple as that. So all we just need to do now is just that, okay, we can now go back to our question. You now say, therefore, numerator and denominator, combine them together. That's 38 over 9 minus 28 over what? 15. Long division, that's denominator is what? 11 over 5 plus 4 over what? Over 3. So that's from the question. Therefore, this from the question. Okay, we've joined the numerator. Okay, we've joined the denominator. So what do we need to do? We'll find the LCM for numerator. Okay, what is the LCM for numerator? It's still 15. 3 can go here, 3 can go here, so it's still 15. Okay, so, or if you don't want to use if we don't want to use 15, okay, we can still use 15 because 3 can still go. Okay, so or what do we need to do? We can just say, okay, 9 times 15, can say 15 times 9. Okay, quickly we can just say 15 times 9. 15 times 9, so 9 times 5 is what? Is I think it's 45, yeah, if I'm not mistaken, because if 9 times 4 is what? Is 36. Okay, 36 plus another 9. Okay, 9 times 4 is 36, that's 45. So 5 carry 4. 9 times 1, 9 plus 4, that is what? 9 times 9, 9 plus 4, that will give us what? 13. 135. Okay, so what am I trying to do? I'm trying to multiply this because I'm looking for the LCM. Okay, 15 times 9. 9 times 5, 45, carry 4. 9 times 1, 9 plus the 4 you carry, that is what? 13. So it means the LCM here is what? 135. So here 9 can go. Okay, 9 can go in 135 15 times. That is the meaning. 9 can go in 135 15 what? 15 times. Okay, so 9 can go in 135 15 times. So this one means that I can do this, that is 15 times 38. That is the meaning. I can now say 38 times what? Times 15. What am I saying? 135 divided by 9 is what? 15. Okay, so it will now be 15 times 38. I hope you understand. 135 divided by 9 is 15. Okay, it will now be 15 times what? 38. So 8 times 5 is 40, carry 4. 5 times 3, 15 plus 4, that's 19. This one is 8, this one is what? 3. That's 0, 17, 2, 5. So this is 570 minus. Okay, so the same thing, 135 divided by 15 is what? 9. 135 divided by 15 is equals to what? 9. you can use your calculator, you will understand exactly what I'm trying to say. So 135 divided by 15 is 9. So that will now be 9 times what? 9 times 28. So 9 times 28 will give us, this will give us the value of what we are looking for. So here we now look at the other one. Okay, so this is 135 divided by 15. That will give us what? 9. Okay, 9 times 28. 9 times 28. 9 times 9 is 81. But if you minus 9 from 81, okay, so it means you will get 72. Okay, you take 7, 72. 9 times 2, 18 plus 7 that you have 25. So that's what? 252. That's for the numerator. So you have 252 over 135. So while the denominator, what's the LCM? The LCM is also what? 15. This is the denominator. I've done with the numerator. The denominator, the LCM is what? 15. 15 divided by 5 is what? 3. 3 times 11, that's what? 33. Plus 15 divided by 3 is what? 5. 5 times 4, that's what? 20. Okay? So therefore, don't forget, I've told you, long division is also the same thing as what? Short division. I can change this. Let me subtract the one for 570 minus what? 252. Okay? 10. This is what? 8. 6. That will be 1. Then you have 318. So it means you can have, this one is the same thing as saying, I can rewrite this to be what? That implies 318 over 135. Okay? Divided by 33 plus this, that will give us what? 53 over what? 15. So this long division, I've changed it to what? Short division. Okay? The long division, I've changed it to short division. The long division, I've changed it to what? The short division. Okay? So it means that that's when you subtract 570 minus 252, you have 318. Okay, then you have your 135. This long division is what you have as short division here. 33 plus 20, that's 53 over 15. And don't forget, I've told you anything on the right hand side is the owner of the sign. The owner of this division is what? 53 over 15. And I've said it over and over that if you want to change division to multiplication, this one will give you 318 over 135, okay, times what? 15 over what? 53, okay, times 15 over 53. Okay, so from here now, you will now see that yes, I can divide, I can take care of some things here. Okay, so the question I need to ask myself, 15 can go in 135. Okay, don't forget 15 can go in 135 in 9 places. So I can just say 15 here, 1, because 9 times 5, okay? 9 times 4 is 36, 9 times 5 is 45, carry 4, 9 times 4 is 9 times. So 15 here, 1, 15 here was 9, okay? So this one is the same thing as saying, I can now say that I have 318, that's 318 times 1, numerator times numerator, then 9 times 53. 9 times 3 is what? 27. Carry 2. 9 times 5, 45, plus 2. That's what? 47. Okay? So you see what we have now. So 9 times 3, 27. Carry 2. 9 times 5, plus 2. That's what? 47. Okay? So it's as simple as that. So that is how you go ahead and then, you can divide with 2 here. 2 can go in this place. You can say 2 here, 15. That's 2 here, 15. 2 in 18. That's 9. 9 times 2 here. So 2 here, 2. 2 here, 3. Okay. That's 2 in the 4, 7, 2, 3. Then 6. It's as simple as that. So 2 can go here. 2 here, 1. Okay. 2 in 11, 5. You can press your calculator. So 2 in 8. So 2 in 18, you have your what? 159. 2 here too. So you can press your calculator and get this answer out. So from here too, you can also say 2 can go here. Can 2 go? No. 3 can go. Can 3 go? 6 times 3 is what? 18. 6 times 3 is what? Is 18. And 7 times 3 is 21. 3 is 16. 3 cannot go. So it means, therefore, you have 159 over 236. So what we just need to do is just that we should continue to solve as many questions as possible. So I will also try to see if I can, when I'm solving all the questions that I've shared, okay, I'll touch base with other questions as possible so that we can see how simple this is. So here now, you see that this is just board mass. The only thing we need here, maybe you need calculator. Of course, they won't give you big value if you're working with a JAMB questions, okay, but because this is a theoretical question, they know you have calculator, so you can press your calculator, you have your big values. So please continue to like us, continue to follow us, continue to like our comments, okay, continue to follow us on TikTok, okay, on Facebook, okay, then on our Instagram, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Cheers.